Daddy's back. Woo! Daddy. Made it.
You survived?
I survived, dog.
John positive?
It was a severe anal bleaching gone wrong. That's what it was, dude.
Oh, yeah, you're one of those,
It was
huh?
a tragedy.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know? The wife flexed everything downstairs to be clean for the new year. And it went awry.
You start fresh.
And it went awry.
Yeah.
Okay? Happy wife, happy life. So you gotta bleach the downstairs. Everything's gotta be blonde. Everything's gotta be blonde. We carbureting. We out here carbureting. What do we gonna do, dude? I'm back in action.
There's so much we could do,
I'm just gonna chill on my phone.
and we're not going to do any of it.
I'm just gonna chill on my phone.
That's a nice new hat.
Look at this thing, dude.
Yeah.
Did you get pieces out of here?
No.
Yes, dude. You're already falling. You can't even fucking stand up.
We finally
Look
have
at
the,
this.
We have the heat on.
We put the heat on, guys. We're so warm now. We are so warm. This thing's coming off the bench.
Should we pull it down?
We're gonna pull it down. That's what we're gonna do, okay? We've cleared some space, all right? I put some pool noodles and some handlebars on the red bike.
Smart idea. Was this you?
No, that's been like that.
Okay.
That's how we got it.
So they had those bars on before, you know?
These bars, they're gonna have to be modified, but not much. Okay? I put the
like
pool
'em.
noodles on here in case your big clumsy ass bumps the front end and fucking fucks the paint up.
You know how many times I've done that?
Like 25, 30
Yeah,
times probably while I'm not here.
Yeah.
While I'm not here, dude, you're fucking hating.
Hey, hey.
Blasphemer.
This is upsetting, huh?
Yeah, is that from this or is that from... Triumphs don't leak oil. Do Triumphs even have oil? Triumphs don't even take oil.
Weems, we need help.
Weems, help us, Weems. Oh, maybe Weems can send us a bulb. Weems, send us a headlight bulb, dude.
Yeah, we broke one.
We broke it and we don't know what to do now. I guess we have to go on lowbrow or something. Who sells Triumph stuff?
No one cool.
That's for fucking sure. Last time I checked. I
Yeah.
don't even know where to get that stuff.
I kind of looked last night.
I think we can make an 1157 fit.
Look at that. It has
The only bulb you ever need weights.
Why?
Because this will throw the balance off of the whole front end.
The tire, those are tire weights.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a tire. This is your spare... This is a spare tire holder that they also turn to headlight. That's how Triumph does it, dude. That's how the British do.
You just add them as you
Yeah.
go, sort of thing?
They, you know, they pray to a queen, dude. You can't even trust them.
They certainly pray to a queen.
That's right. The band Queen.
Let's move a few things.
Triumphs.
I know you're still recovering, but you can
Listen,
move
dude.
motorcycles.
My booty is burning.
Is it?
I got a burning booty. Get this fucking floppy jalopy out of the way.
Old Faithful.
Old Faithful, the old shop truck. The old shop truck.
Yeah, that's where you're gonna leave it. That's where you're gonna.
No, you don't like no.
Yeah, you just maybe
You don't love that, huh?
maybe get it in there.
You don't love that. I'll tool the bench. How much you like that?
John and PQ are really good at picking up.
I haven't even been here for a week. That obviously isn't me.
It's from a week ago.
It's not. Oh, we definitely got to fix it. Dude, how has it been without me?
Well, considering I had to pack a bunch of t-shirts alone.
You did have to pack one t-shirts alone. Thank you for buying the t-shirts, guys. We're like sold out.
We are pretty much sold out.
Which is cool.
It's a good
it's
feeling
that-
and a shitty feeling at the same time.
It's a great feeling, you know, because that means I can spend that money on motorcycle stuff, on motorcycle parts for us.
That's what we do here.
For us.
We definitely don't make money.
No. That's why I'm not allowed to touch the money.
This is true. But we do have more merch coming.
We have more merch coming. Buy more stuff from us.
Yeah, I really enjoyed my time alone.
Did you have a peaceful time here?
I did have a
Packaging
peaceful
shirts
time.
and stuff?
Yep.
Hanging out with Teddy's smelly ass?
Yep. Teddy's fired.
Teddy's fucking fired. Teddy is fucking fired. All right? One and done for old Teddy. Sorry, bud. The only job you have as a cameraman is to keep the camera steady. Seems to not understand that. The boy can't grasp that.
Guys, I'm not charismatic,
You
so
are so charismatic.
don't fucking
dude.
lie
You're the
to
one,
me.
You're the charismatic one.
That's funny.
That's what people say when they
That's
describe us.
really funny.
They go John, the handsome one, and Craig, the charismatic one.
That's exactly what they say.
They go John with the beautiful body, and Craig, the one that doesn't stop talking.
Also, we're collecting packages.
Oh, we have a little package collection.
We're collecting packages, and we're gonna open them all at once, going live on YouTube. I don't know when, but I feel like that's better than
Someday.
opening a package every time you watch a video, and it's like, wow, look at that.
Yeah, it's the same. It's garbage. It's never knuckle. Oh, look at that. It's never knuckle parts. Everyone in the comments is like, man, I wish someone would just send these guys some knuckle parts.
They really want it.
They really want us to have them. I think we'll use them better than other people, you know?
You think so?
We will use your knuckle parts better than you can. So why don't you just send them to us?
I like that.
We get to see this thing on the ground. Maybe it'll, you know, maybe it'll work out.
It's pretty exciting, actually.
Very exciting.
The fender might hit.
Your what?
The fender might hit.
The fender might hit. I haven't cut it yet. That's the scraper.
Scraper.
Scraper. Daddy's back. Woo! Daddy. What do I do? What do I do with my hands? I'm just gonna do this. Okay. Hold on. Go forward. Okay. Just go straight. Just go straight. Oh, dude. Oh, what's that? The fender? Oh, it's definitely the fender. Lean it towards you. Yeah, Robin. Oh. Should we go forward? And I'll cut the fender. Suck my finger into it. Go ahead. Cool jacket, dude.
Whoa.
Wow, huh? Wow.
April O'Neil.
Oh shit, dude.
I thought you were going to say dark. You want to touch up?
Oh, yeah.
Dark what?
Miguel.
What's the guy with the monkey? The kid's book.
Curious George.
Curious George, dude.
You're just yellow.
Yeah, but then I gotta take the fender off, and it's like, that's like a lot.
I mean, you're
He's got a new scam.
He's got a new scam.
Oh.
No, dude. I barely.
That was very uneventful.
We will get it off one day. That's a thickie right there.
Yeah, it
It's
is.
a pretty quality fender, I will say. That is a thickie. Whee! I might need a washer also. You want 3 points of contact on a fender when you mount it, you know? All right, should we try to get this thing off?
Let's try it again. Oh my God.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
What a lean. That's good. That works. It's nice. It's nice with electric start because you can lean the bitch over as much as you want and not have to worry about kicking it.
Yeah, kicking it like that. Oh, this is fun.
What? Oh, it's just pouring oil out of the primary?
Nice.
Hell yeah, dude.
I'm just laying some party dust down.
Party dust. Teddy! I love the party dust. Come here and hold this blanket. Can you do that without like moving it all over the place? All right, stand over there. What do you need me to do?
That fucking leans.
Yeah, it's cool. Should we bolt the, we should bolt the seat to it. The full-blown chopper now, bitch!
Whoa. Yeah, so the next time you'll see this, it won't have a front brake.
And it'll be painted.
It will be painted.
Yeah. And then it'll be done.
And it will be running,
Next time
hopefully.
you see it, we'll be riding.
You're so stupid.
What? What? Back. I'm back, baby. I'm back.
You're back.
I'm back.
You're back.
You're back.
I'm back.
You're back.
I'm back.
He's back.
You're back.
I'm back, baby. Fabrication's done. Okay? Exhaust, done. Shaving the frame, done. Mounting the gas tank, done. Fender, done.
Painting, embroidery. Next.
No, this thing's staying raw, dude. Stainless exhaust, built. Do it.
Staying raw, dog.
Staying raw, dog. We successfully took an Evo Sportster and changed it into a big twin. Panhead.
Divorced.
Divorced. This is now a panhead.
You're back.
I'm back.
You're
back.
certainly back.
I'm back. See this divide right here? That means now this is a panhead. That's what that means. You can also get that.
You're back.
I'm not gonna tell you how though. You gotta figure it out.
Okay,
You
all
gotta
right.
Learn, like the rest of us.
But seriously, you're back.
Read a book.
You're back.
I'm back.
You're back.
Oh, my back?
Yeah.
Is this?
It's not good.
You know, work stuff. I'm back, baby. Work stuff. You know?
I don't know if that would help, but
It made it worse.
yeah.
Made it worse. Okay?
A little paper slap.
That's it. That's that. We did it.
We did it.
We did it. Will this be out tomorrow? Maybe not. Will you go to throttleauction.com, click the link in the description, okay? Buy all your stuff, all your motorcycle stuff. You want something like that?
Click right there.
This link will give you that. You can take an Evo Sportster and turn it into a panhead.
Magic.
Magic.
That's the magic of throttle addiction.
Presto
right?
changeo, baby. Presto fucking changeo.
Ipso facto.
Ipso facto, okay?
Hard at work.
Phone party.
You want to join in?
Nah. Nah. John, what are you doing?
Brown sugar oatmeal.
I'm busy, dude, reconnecting, okay? I've been out. I've been out.
You've been in the matrix.
I've been in the cipher, dude. I've been doing my thing, dude, in the cut, all right? I had to go dark for a while, dude, to regain energy and regain power, all right? Teddy was trying to fuck my whole situation up, dude. His camera work sent me for a fucking loop, got me sick for a week. Motion sickness, you know?
Anorexic.
Anorexia. The anal bleaching went wrong because of Teddy.
Platform band. It's a thing.
Yeah, you can blame Teddy for John's absence.
You can definitely blame Teddy. You can blame Teddy for my absence for sure. It's making me queasy,
Wow.
you know? It's making me, you know, want to pray to the queen. All right, dude, the queen's infected.
You're acting like a real wanker right now.
I am
dude.
being a very, I am being a wanker right now. Okay?
Yeah,
It's
move
my-
it.
Makes me want to listen to the Clash. Yeah, you're a bitch. You're a sweet bitch. Yeah. Don't. Oh, dude, you're gonna break it. This will be the last day. This will be the last. Don't do it, Craig. Oh, god damn.
Now we're all gonna get sick.
That's it. All right, Teddy, push us back.
We're just gonna go back and forth.
Mm-hmm. Well, all the bike's in the way. You know.
What do they say? Fuck fenders.
Don't say the fenders is off. Say the titties is out. You know what I'm saying?
Is productful a word?
No, you made that up. That's not a word.
What would be the word?
Productive?
Productive. There we go.
Yeah. Very productive day.
It's been a very productive day.
Uh-huh.
He's really happy to be back on
I'm
camera.
happy, you know, happy to be back, dude. Happy to be back on 3 wheels, baby. Happy to be back on 3 wheels finally, you know? Well, see you later. Well, hey, see you later.
See you next time, folks.
Well, hey.
Oh, you're still here.
Well, hey. Guess we'll see you next time, huh? Thanks for watching this episode of the Easy Co. All right, stay tuned next week where we're gonna do some stuff. Oh, hey, hello. Stay tuned next week where the Triumph's gone.
Thank God.
Thank God, huh? All hail the Queen. Right?
All right.
Incest, dude.
What?
A lot of incest going on in that castle.
That lineage.
A lot of it. Oh yeah, they all got goof faces from the incest. cross-eyed and stuff. They don't have taste buds.
What did you watch The Crown or something?
I've done my research, okay?
Yeah.
I've done my research. All right? None of them have taste buds. It's the first thing that goes when you start banging your cousin. Okay?
Patreons. Damn it.
This is an informative YouTube channel, okay? We're information-based.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to the channel. We're back, baby. Full-fledged, we're back. All right, we're gonna be working on stuff soon.
Hopefully.
one day, God, we are gonna be working on stuff.
Knucklehead box.
One day we'll open up a box and there will be a set of knucklehead cases in it that someone has donated to us because we'll use them better than you can. All right?
That's
That's a
aggressive.
guarantee. That's a guarantee. All right?
All right.
We'll put them to use, unlike you, sucking the air out of them and life out of them. Like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Click the link in the description for all the stuff that we have told you in the past.
Merch.
Instagram.
We have a Patreon.
Patreon. Instagram.
Throttle
TikTok,
Addiction.
Throttle Addiction.
Rolling Death.
Rolling Death. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Choppers. Choppers for life, baby. Choppers only, as they
Yeah,
say.
we definitely phoned this one in because it's John's first time
My
back.
first day back, dude. I can't just like, you know. We'll have some stuff, dude. It's gonna be cool. Just keep, you know, checking in. Every week. Every Thursday.
Keep liking, yeah.
Hey, keep liking, keep subscribing. Every Thursday. Every Wednesday. Every Tuesday. All right? If you know people in your general area that don't know about us, tell them about us. Okay? And if they refuse to accept that information, beat it into them. Okay? And if they have knucklehead parts, send them to us.
Physically? Like,
Physically beat them up and steal their stuff. Go out there and do felonious acts for us.
Whoa.
What? I don't know if you can say that on YouTube. Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.